1343 Victory. Jim, you want to say anything about this house?
Actually, I'm impressed. I think it's going to turn out great.
Thanks. Yeah, we're checking it. Say hey.
How are you?
He's one of the plumbers. So
I'm not one of the plumbers.
no, yeah, that's right. So let's go inside and see what we got. So all the stuff's here. All this is done. And how we doing, Dave? What we got done?
How you doing?
Good. What have we done? So we got everything painted.
Yep. Except for downstairs.
Okay. When are you gonna start putting in the flooring?
This weekend, I think.
This weekend. So here's all the flooring. All this is getting put in.
I don't remember where.
Oh, this is going to, you know, you don't have to talk to that guy if you don't want. No, how's it going?
All is going well. We're about 90% done on the painting. We're got the switches, outlets in. We got the lights in, except for 2 in the kitchen. We're still working in the kitchen. Got the plumbing going in the basement. Guy said he'll be finished today. And we got the flooring here on the scene, which will get started over the weekend. And the painting will also get started over the weekend. And the garage roof will all get started on the weekend. I set them up all in line to get it done. We're trying to get out of here by next week.
By next week, really?
We're trying.
I was gonna say. So, and then we got the bathroom to take care of. Do we order that? Did we order the epoxy for that?
Yes,
Okay.
Martin was here today to give me an estimate, and we need to discuss that.
Okay. So, what do we got upstairs all painted? We put that janitorial stuff down? Yeah, so we got all that out. So they scrubbed the floors. So it's really nice up here. So as you can see, this is a big area. And it's really, we got this. So let's go down to the basement. And there's Jim again. You want to say hi, Jim?
Jim again. Hi.
So here's all your flooring right here. This is all paint. All the stuff's here. Let's go down here. Hey, Ryan.
Hey, how you doing?
Got the video going. How are we doing on the plumbing? What's going on?
We're doing great. We're patting this down so we can put the concrete over the pipe. And we're gonna run it to a grinder pump.
All right.
Shoot it out.
And that's that one over there. I don't want to go over there because it's dirty, but you can see where he's got all this lined out. So there's your toilet. That's going to be the vanity.
Yep.
And that's the shower.
Yep.
Okay. Going to give a lot of room. They're going to also take out this. What else? What were you going to say?
Oh, I just said the shower's gonna be run long ways, so the windows will still be exposed for the bathroom, so you get the